In this video, we are going to see how we can add shortcut in Brave browser. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. So first of all, I've opened up my Brave browser. Let me just open it up again for you. And from here on the main screen, if you want to add some shortcuts, let's say if I'm on the new tab and you want to add those shortcuts here, and you basically want to customize those shortcuts, what we do is just open up a new tab, and from here we'll choose the gear icon or settings. Now once we are in here, we'll select top sites, and instead of frequently visited that randomly puts all the icons, we'll mark it to favorites, and you can even uncheck this top sites to remove it altogether. So let's actually keep it, and let's close out of here. And here, if you want to, let's say, remove some of the icons, because we have multiple here, we can remove it just like so. And we want to add a new one, we click on add site, and we simply name it and paste the link and click on save changes. It will be added right here. Alternatively, what you can also do is just open up the site first and then click on add site, write the name, paste the URL. In this case, it will also show HTTPS and the complete link as well. Click on save, and this way it will show the icon of that website as well. So this kind of makes more sense. Also, it's quicker to do, and once you click on those shortcuts, you should be able to access different websites, and that is how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.